Okay, this is the min and max, minimum and the maximum functions in Excel. Very useful to pull out the lowest value and the highest value out of a range of values. So let's just say we've got a whole bunch of monetary values in here that I put in some random numbers. And I want to find the minimum is very easy. Equals min, open brackets, select the range, lock down the references. That's just by pressing F4. Put those dollar signs in there in order to lock it down so that it doesn't move if I were to move the formulas. In this case, it doesn't matter because I'm only putting in one cell. But if I were to drag these down, then you want to lock it in place. So the min, £8, and the max is exactly the same. It's just max instead of min. Open the brackets, select that, lock it down, close the brackets, and you got 96. So 96 is the maximum value in there. Where is it? There it is. And then 8 over there is the minimum value. And it's really is as easy as that. Obviously, you've got other ones, average and all the rest of it. I've done videos for those. I haven't done a video for the min and max yet. So that's it. Minimum and maximum values within a range. Thank you.